Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TK Maths is Fun. In today's video, we will solve a question on permutation and combination, which is a part of the syllabus of A-level Mathematics S1. So this question is taken from June 24, variant 5.3. Let's see the question. Part A. How many different arrangements of the 9-letter words, letter in the word recorders are possible? So this is a very simple, straightforward question. There are 9 letters, but we have to see how many letters are identical and how many times they are repeated. So it is the best idea to write it separately somewhere, whatever way you want it into. So I have written it like this, which is giving me clear idea that there are 3 R's and 2 E's which are identical. So when I'm putting them into different arrangement, straight away 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial and divided by 2 factorial. 3 factorial because there are 3 R's identical and 2 factorial because there are 2 E's. Next part of the question. How many different arrangements are there of the 9 letter in the word recorders? Now the condition is there is an E at the beginning and E at the end. This is condition number 1. And the 3 R's are not all together. Now this word is very important here. When it is saying not all together, it means I'm talking about only when all of them are together. 2 maybe, doesn't matter. When the word all is not here, it means each and every letter of R should be separated from the other one. So how we will handle this type of question? Let's see here. So first of all, put all the dashes of 9 letters and then on each end write down E because this is a condition. Now how will you fill the letters in between? That you have to take care of. So now there are how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters, and in which R's are repeated cases. Okay, but they are not all together. So first of all, you will find out the cases in which they are together. So I have shown you here. You have made a group of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 factorial is the way when R's are together. So I will minus it. So I'm doing minus 5 factorial from where? I will minus it from all the cases. And now what are all the cases? 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial because there are 3 R's. So it means I'm subtracting the cases when R's are together from all the other possibilities, and it will give me the desired result when R's are not together. Right? Now there was last part of the question. The 9 letters of the word recorders are divided into 2 groups. Now the groups are of 5 letters and 4 letters. And we have to find the probability. So be very careful. This time it is talking about probability. So again put the dashes so that you can clearly understand. This is my first group with 5 letters. This is the second group with 4 letters. Condition was R's in the same group, 3 R's. So I have taken this case first. If 3 R's are here, now there is another thing which is about E, because E is identical. So you have to deal it separately each and every case. So first of all, I'm putting E's with R. So this group is done. And the remaining 4 will come here, 4C4. So this is one way you can arrange them. Let's see the other case now. So you have to consider all the cases and add up the results. Now in this case, R's are together in one group, but E is in each group. One in the one group, other E is in the other group. So how will you fill this gap? 4C1, because the remaining letters are 4. From 4 letters, 1 letter will come here. What are those 4 letters? C, O, D, S. These letters I'm talking about. So 1 letter will fit in here and the remaining 3 will come here. So there are 8 ways to do that. Now what is one more case? When E's are in the other group which is without R. So again, these 2 spaces will be filled by 2 out of 4 and remaining 2 will come here. What else is left? because this was the group of 5 letters and this was the group of 4 letters. Now you have to consider that R is present in the group which has 4 letters. Agreed? So exactly following the same procedure, first fill 2C1 and remaining 4 letters will come here. And then last possibility, when E's are in the group without R. You can see that. So again I am fitting 4C1 here and 3C3 here. So then you will add up all the results and it will be 21. But question was saying probability. In the probability we know sample space comes in the denominator, mean all the possibilities come in the denominator, and numerator has the favorable outcome. So this is my favorable outcome. I will write it in the numerator. In the denominator you will have possibility of either 9C4, because out of 9 letters you can select any 4 letters, or you can write 9C5. Some children get confused why I can write either. Let's see the logic here and understanding here. Suppose you are selecting 4 letters. Remaining 5 will automatically go into the other group. Because it is a selection order, doesn't matter. I have taken just one example here. But if it is 9C5, see. Once you will select 5 letters here, the other will be automatically fall into the other group of 4 letters. So you can see with the help of these two examples, they are identical. So that's why when you are finding out probability, the denominator can be 9C4 or 9C5. This is particularly the cases of groups. So I hope you understood. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. For any clarity, you can ask in the comment box. Take care. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.